Welcome to our Catalent Softgel facility located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. I am Hernán Mellone, I am the site director of this facility. Here in Buenos Aires, we manufacture softgel capsules in bulk. On an annual basis, we produce between 3 to 3.5 billion capsules per year. I would like to welcome you to our facility tour. Please enjoy.
In the dispensing area, all the raw materials used in the manufacturing of softgel capsules are dispensed. In the fill prep area, dispensed raw materials are incorporated and mixed in automatized reactors, producing the fill material which will later be sent to the encapsulation area for the softgel capsule production process. In the washing room, equipment is washed and conditioned, a key step in the capsule manufacturing process which ensures that each capsule will be safe for the patient or consumer. In the encapsulation area, we produce the softgel capsules. We feature 10 encapsulation machines of various sizes and speeds which form softgel capsules. This is done by bringing together two gelatin ribbons cast over custom dies that determine capsule shape and size beneath wedges that fill and seal the capsules as they are formed. The capsules then go through the tumbler dryer where they are initially dried in rotating baskets. After encapsulation, capsules are brought here where they are spread evenly on trays which are stacked in drying tunnels. The drying process uses laminar flow and controlled air conditions to meet the specifications of capsule hardness required for each product. Once dried, capsules are ready to be inspected. In the inspection area, our operators use their visual inspection skills supported by automated inspection machines. This allows for the removal of any capsules which do not meet our rigorous quality standards. In the packaging area, softgel capsules are primarily packed in bulk in plastic bags, followed by secondary packaging in cardboard boxes to form the pallets which are ready to be sent to customers. Our facility in Buenos Aires features on-site laboratories with extensive integrated analytical capabilities equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows us to achieve best-in-class standards. Catalent's extensive experience and quality control of softgel capsule manufacturing ensures that your product is safe and made with the highest precision and efficiency required by your consumers.